Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I wanted to show you another one of my tools of the day. I have been looking to upgrade some of my mixing bowls, and there's this program that I watch. It's a series on one of the channels that I watch, and it's a British baking show, and I really like that. I like the creativity of watching the individuals on these shows and things come up with these different ideas and things. So I really like that show, and I had been admiring the mixing bowls on the show for years, and I thought I'm just going to give a little Google search and figure out what this is. And I found out that the company that they have their mixing bowls from is called Mason Cash, and the company actually got started in 1800, so it's been around for over 200 years. So the company's original name was Mason, and then in 1901 a guy named Tom Cash bought it and changed the name to Mason Cash. And then the company was resold again to its current owners now. So the company has all their design team. They're still in the United Kingdom, but this pottery that I've got here says it's made in Portugal. So it's got all these different kind of designs and things on it. And this is the Hedgehog design here. I'll turn it up on its side so you can see that. It's got little hedgehogs around it and some trees and things. I just really like it. I think it's really nice. And then this one here is called In the Meadow, and I like this color on this. And I've got some more here. The company that I ordered these from, I'll put the link in the description box. I'm not affiliated with any of these companies. I pay for all this myself. But I did want to show you the packaging that this company did. I mean, to tell you, they really packaged this very well for that. So I'm going to go ahead and take these other items out and I'll show you what else I got. All right, so you can see this has got a lot of bubble wrap around the outside of it. They did put a lot of paper in it, so it was packed really well where it came from. It got to me here, and we'll see. I'm going to cut into this. It'll be the first time I've cut into it to see how well it did, but I wanted to show you the other designs that I bought for my collection. They've got this wrapped really nicely. All right, I wanted to show you some of the other designs I've got. This is a bear. This is an orange color mixing bowl with the cream interior on that. And again, this says this is made in Portugal. So it's got little bears around the side. There's a cub here, another bear, some trees. So lots of nice, pretty designs on these mixing bowls. And here is a purple one. This one is called In the Meadow, which is the same as this one here, but this one is in a purple color with the cream interior. And then I've got a green one here. The green one is an owl. I don't know if you can see the owl here. There's owls all around this one, so this one is really nice. There's trees and owls around it. And this series is called In the Forest. I believe it's what it's called. So it has all the forest animals on it. And then the last one I've got here, which is my largest one, it has some foxes on it. And this one is really pretty. I don't know if you can see those. I'm going to try to hold that up so that you can see the foxes that are on the side of that. So this is really nice. So this one holds a little over 4 quarts, and this one I believe is just a little over 3, and then it gets down to 2 and then 1. So I've got one of each of the sizes, and then I've got a couple of the other ones here that I really liked for the complete of the series. So I just thought I would show you these. If you're looking to upgrade into some new mixing bowls, this is really nice. If you want to take it up a little bit to the next level, I usually use the little metal ones or the glass Pyrex ones, and they have done me well for many years. But I just saw these and I thought they were really nice, and so I gave them a try. So you'll be seeing these in my videos coming up. And if you want to know anything about these, I'll put the link in the description box below of where I purchased these. That way, if you're looking at maybe upgrading some of your mixing bowls too, they've got all different kind of things that you can get from this company of Mason Cash. So definitely check it out if that's something that you're interested in. And if you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you have any Mason Cash mixing bowls, or if you have any of the other items from the company. I'd love to hear from you. And if you do purchase some of these, I want to know what you think about these also. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.